Hey guys, Cliff, Trail Grid Pro. Just wanted to take a few minutes to go through the full Alpine lineup in a Toyota 4Runner with you, all three screen sizes, so you can see exactly what you get if you get the F507, F509, or F511. So for starters, here's the F507. It's a true double-din design, a 7-inch diagonal touchscreen. And just to put this in perspective, those of you with a 2014 to 2019 Toyota 4Runner, this is the usually same screen size you have now. Some of you will have a 6.1-inch screen, but this is in line with the screen size you have now. Obviously, this is far advanced technology than what you have, so it is a huge upgrade, but this is the flush experience from the Alpine lineup. All right, now we have the beautiful F509 Alpine head unit in the 4Runner, and it is a beautiful display. Again, this is a 9-inch floating display, the halo display, which is what Alpine calls it. And it is a floating screen, so it sticks out a little bit from the dash cover, but it's beautiful. And I've talked about this with other floating displays, that the screen location is very ergonomic to me. So, I've got my hand here on the shifter while I'm driving. I pick it up, it's just right in front of me for easy access for any touch screen prompts that I need to do while I'm driving or stopped. And this is fantastic. The positioning of it, which I get a lot of questions about from a vent perspective, is just perfect. Right here, I get full air vent flow going in the direction where you wanted it or intended it to go, which is great. Also worth noting is the tilt capability of the F509, which you can tilt the screen forward like that. So if you wanted to actually use this cubby here, you can use it. It is also super beneficial for during the installation to gain access to the screws behind the head unit. So super easy to push down and then back into position. Just use two hands. It's awesome. And for those of you looking to go big, the F511 is definitely for you. This is an 11-inch touchscreen. It's huge and beautiful. HD quality, super crisp. And the way that we've positioned this kit is to also not block the vents with the 11-inch screen. If there was any vent blockage, it doesn't leave the vehicle, it just doesn't go in the actual direction you were intending. So the 11-inch screen, just like the 9-inch screen, is tiltable, so you can tilt this down, which is helpful during installation, and also if you want to keep anything in the cubby back here, it just tilts. Can also change your optimal tilt angle based on how you prefer it, but everything here is just oversized. If you're looking for that in your rig, the F511 is definitely the way to go. I would say this is going to be the best mapping experience out of all three, just because it's the largest. You've got an HD quality screen and it's beautiful. Now, the thing to remember, whether you go with the 7, the 9, or the 11-inch screens, it's the same feature set across all three models. You literally get the same thing in all three, just a different screen size. So all the compatibility with the front camera, the Alpine rear camera, the dash cam, all the compatibility is exactly the same. So hopefully this video made it a little bit easier for you to narrow down which option is best for you, the 7-inch screen, the 9-inch screen, or the 11-inch screen. All of these will be available for purchase in a plug-and-play bundle for your 4Runner at the Trail Grid Pro shop at www.trailgridpro.com. Grab the one that's best to fit your needs, and as always, guys, have a blast out there.